What is up, my peeps? Got the old Kia behind me, and I'm trying to finish up my Blueprint 3.0 install from Sound Off Signal. I've basically been rewiring the entire car into Blueprint and all of my race car goodies, all of those things, boost controllers, method controller, my cooling pumps, cooling fans, all that kind of good stuff, as well as all my lighting and sirens and everything is now on Blueprint. So it's been quite a project. I walked away from it a few months back and trying to get back into it now. So I figured I would just do a little walk around, show you what I'm gonna try to get accomplished today. So, most everything's done. Last time I checked out the car, I made a whole list of stuff that needs to be done yet. So that's right there. So there's stuff all around the whole car. So today I'm just going to try to focus on the rear end here and see if I can't get most of this done. I've got a lot of powers and grounds and stuff coming from my amp, which is on the front side of the pillar there. My central controller back here, we've got one node and two nodes in the rear. And then if I get around to it, I already started some of the bob wiring, but obviously need to finish all of that as well yet and continue on. Most of my nodes are already done. I think I just had powers and grounds and maybe datas coming across. It's been so long since I've actually worked on the car, it's kind of forgetting everything. It's not the way to build a car, but I had a lot of life going on, so I had to give up for a little bit. But we're back, and I'm trying to get this thing going. So got a lot of stuff back here to wire. Here's my amp, a bunch of stuff everywhere. There is plenty to do, but I'm trying to get it back on the road. So it's going to be a multiple part little series, and you can stick around if you want to see some more of this. Eventually I will get to programming the car. I'm guessing it's probably going to take a week. I have like 100 lights on this car, and everything is maxed out on my entire Blueprint system. I have 5 nodes, 200 watt amp, central controller, 18 button touchpad, and a bob, all kinds of goodies. So we're gonna have some fun with this once I start programming. This thing is going to be a complete mess for sure. The entire car has been rewired, so let's get it. Crossing stuff off the list. Got all my grounds run from this back corner. Got everything done. Got my rear door trigger. Got my ones running up and around. Got my front door trigger. I have my other side light down there is ready. My upper side light. I have to obviously do the lights yet. I'm just trying to run wires. I gotta remount my meth tank and my pump and get my filter and everything. So that's all gonna be back in this corner here on the passenger side. We're just doing wires for now, so we're getting to that. But this whole entire rear passenger corner is officially done wired. I need some more terminals to finish all that corner now. And come over here. And my entire siren amp is done. I kind of see a little bit. I've got all my grounds, my rear door trigger, front door trigger again. So should clean everything up a little bit yet, but everything in this area is done. So now I gotta work back there and up under here. So this is gonna be a mess as well. But we're getting there. Stick around.